Hi, my lovely Virgos. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Virgos, today I am going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of June 2025. Please note that it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Also guys, if any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So so Virgos, there are, I'll just keep the pre-shuffling short because the reading gets really lengthy. There is someone out there for whom, an opportunity, you are not very sure of. It has kind of unlocked or opened doors to lots and lots of prosperity for you guys, lots and lots of abundance, lots of money. Okay, maybe the career decision that you took, the job that you were not sure of, the business that you were not sure would work out, it has really changed your life. That decision, that the call that you had taken, you were not so sure of, has actually changed your life, and it has brought lots and lots of abundance and prosperity your way. Okay, some of you guys, you are stuck in some situation, some conflict, some argument wherein with someone out there. Okay, there is no synergy between a few people or people involved in some matter, like 10 people, 10 different directions, 10 opinions, that kind of a situation. Okay, like, no one is on the same page, there is no synergy, there is no collaboration, and you guys are just kind of going in circles. You are not able to find solution to a problem because everyone is operating out of his or her own ego. Okay, that is what I was getting for someone out there, and someone out there is really hurt over something so much so that you have kind of retracted or retreated in a shell. You're not willing to talk to anyone rather. And you guys, probably someone out there might be going through some financial situation, as financial crisis as well. Okay, someone, like some specific person. Remember, this is a collective reading, so even if the messages appear contradictory, it is catering to different groups of people. Okay, so I know that I spoke about financial abundance when I began, and now I'm talking about financial crunch because it is catering to different energies of different groups of people. Okay, so just take what resonates with you and you can just royally ignore the rest. Okay, so yeah, with that, let's get started guys. Let's see what message we have for you guys in your main reading. I really want to keep it short, so I'm not rendering all the messages that came through, just the star ones. Wow. Are we good with the camera? I think we are. Okay, there you go. Ace of Pentacles. Absolutely. Oh my god, really? Anyway, so your health card is showing up as sun card. Now a couple of messages, Leo energy showing up over here. A couple of messages I am getting for someone out there. Watch out on your heat. Okay, like make sure your body heat is in control. Okay, you might feel a lot of heat related issues like heat boils, blisters, maybe piles, or upset tummy, anything related to heat, acidic reflux. Okay, so make sure you're keeping your heat under control. Lot of cold on and off, fever, lot of heat is coming through when I'm trying to render this reading. Okay, so this message, so please make sure you're drinking enough water, you're keeping yourself hydrated, and you're cooling your body. Okay, make use of chia seeds as much as possible. Okay, drink a lot of buttermilk. Okay, cucumber, anything and everything that will help your body retain its maintain its temperature. Okay, so that is coming through very strongly for someone out there. Okay, for others, your health could be, you could be in a good shape and form when it comes to your health, okay, like whatever diet, whatever workout you're following, it's actually kind of showing results, okay, you are actually seeing positive results of whatever you have been following up until now, okay, maybe you started a couple of months ago, couple of weeks ago, and it's showing results, and it's kind of motivating you, okay, you are like feeling very much charged and geared up, like yeah, this is working for me, okay, and I want to continue this. You are maybe following your diet more religiously now, you're following your workout more religiously now, okay, which is a very very good thing to know, and you are doing it collectively. Maybe your kids are also equally health conscious, your spouse is health conscious, so it's a family effort, entire family is health conscious is what I'm getting, which is such a good energy to know. And yeah, I mean, feels good, you know, whatever is coming through this group of people, it's really good. So yeah, that is about your health card, guys. For those who are having heat issues, please do take proper care of yourself, okay. Hmm. Moving on, your career slash finances has shown up as lovers card, which is Gemini energy, soulmate energy. Is anyone me? Oh, by the way, yeah, someone definitely is going to meet his or her soulmate, guys. Okay, you guys might get married. You are meeting your twin soulmate. Okay, could be at a workplace. This could be a workplace romance for someone out there. Okay, but definitely marriage is on cards for someone out there. Look at these cards, like wow, just wow. Okay, whatever it is, it's a perfect timing, it's a perfect, you know, it's like it's like you were not expecting, but you know, all of a sudden things have taken you know, a different turn, okay, you were not looking for love, and all of a sudden you stumbled upon this person, you started talking, maybe professionally first, then became friends, and the next thing you know is you were in love and you are getting married, you know, because it is happening that organically for someone out there, okay, it's like the universe has conspired to get you two guys together. And yeah, it's a twin flame, it's a soulmate kind of energy, guys. Gemini energy coming through very very strongly, if not Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Guys, give me a minute, okay, some card has flipped. I still want to clarify the lover's energy. Let's see what message is there for others in terms of career slash finances, okay. Guys, I am oh my god, this message is yet again repeated. This is the Three of Cups card of celebration. Four of Wands is also card of celebration. Empress is talking about something, new beginning, inception of something new addition into your life. And Tower card, and this Tower card is telling me this tower is a happy tower, okay, it's not a tower bringing in tragedy. Guys, definitely someone out there is going to get married, okay, even if this is coming into your career slash finances. Like I said, the probability of you guys meeting or gelling over work is very very high. That is what is happening on at your work front, you know, that you are meeting your soulmate, guys. You are, someone out there definitely is meeting his or her soulmate at workplace. And definitely a new beginning, and this is so unexpected, like, you know, maybe you were friends, maybe you were colleagues, and it was like, you know, I mean, this is the last person I would think of getting married, but the next thing you know is that you guys are getting married, okay, it is that organic and so unexpected. I mean, even your friends might not expect. This is what I'm getting, guys. And very very beautiful energy, very very positive energy for that matter. For some of you guys, there could be, yeah, oh my god, this is, I mean, how much should the angels clarify? Like, only and only one interpretation is coming for your work slash finances, guys. You guys are definitely getting married, okay. Hierophant, you is again a card that indicates marriage and organization or structure. Big structures or organization is what this card indicates. And Definitely, it could be a workplace romance. I have no doubts. I'm extremely sorry to whoever this is not resonating, because this is a very specific message, but it is coming so clearly. It is clarified repeatedly, guys, and I have to render it that way. And I apologize that it is not for everyone. You guys could be from different communities, different caste communities, maybe religion also, but you are meant to be together, so nothing else matters. You definitely are getting married. This person adores you. Strong Tauran energy coming through. Okay, strong Tauran energy is showing up. You, either of you is a Taurus, and wow, like really wow. I mean, I'm sorry, but maybe not, but the message is repeated, guys. Someone is getting hit over here. Oh my god, like just wow. By the way, there is Hermit energy, your own energy, Virgo energy, possibly a Virgo. You are Virgo yourself. You might have double Virgo in your birth chart anywhere else, or maybe Taurus. But yeah, someone definitely is getting hooked up over here. Okay, heartiest congratulations. And if there's a news of pregnancy for someone out there, heartiest or rather double congratulations in that case. Okay, do let me know whatever it is. Some of you guys might make a big purchase. Okay, maybe it could be a house. Okay, you might buy a big property, like a very lavish house is what I'm getting, guys. In which case, again, heartiest congratulations. You might be having a housewarming party. You might be throwing up a housewarming party, and very nice. See, a lot of people coming and congratulating you guys. Okay, there's a lot of celebration happening basically. Okay, wow, such a beautiful energy. Knight of coins, Fool, and Five of coins. Knight of coins, Fool, and Five of coins. Now this is telling me that someone out there might, someone, like, again, this is a very specific message. Someone out there might have kind of made some rash decision in terms of finances, like you did not invest it in at the right place, or maybe you fell for some scam, or maybe you did not invest your money wisely, and now all of a sudden you are kind of facing financial crunch. Okay, that's what I'm getting for someone out there. A wrong decision, mismanagement about your money. At one point of time you had a lot of money. It's not that you never had money, but you did not invest it wisely. You spent a lot rather than investing a lot. Okay, and that decision, that naive decision, or that kind of immaturity, or rather foolish decision or behavior has kind of backfired and put you in a soup, is what I'm getting for someone out there. Okay, this Fool is actually talking about some immature or rash behavior, or decision which has kind of backfired. Okay, someone out there is trying to struggle to make ends meet right now. Okay, and your financial growth has kind of slowed down. Okay, it's taking longer for maybe like you are trying to find a job, or look for a job or an opportunity, or you're waiting for your business to pick up, but it is taking longer than you had expected. Okay, that's what I'm getting for someone out there. Yeah, I mean, then you know what, Fool is, again, it's an Aryan energy. It's a major arcana, so this is a very big life lesson, that especially when we have a lot of money, or we have some money, it is very important to invest it wisely or spend it wisely. It's like, yes, do enjoy life, do spend on yourself, but make sure you are investing as well, or you are saving for the rainy day as well. Okay, so this is your lesson. When things will shift for you, when better days will come for you in terms of financial stability, make sure you have learned your lessons well and you're not repeating it. Okay, make sure you're investing more and then spending. Okay, so that is one biggest lesson. Many people make this mistake these days, especially when people are highly paid in many industries, like especially IT industry, and you just don't realize or foresee the future risk. Okay, you just you just purchase big houses, big cars, take loans, and you don't use credit card like mindlessly, and you don't foresee the danger, uncertainty of job scenario, and one fine day something happens and you are in trouble, you are in financial soup. That has precisely what has happened to someone out there. I am sorry if you're going through this, but like I said, take it as a life lesson, and work towards correcting it. Okay, start respecting what you get in terms of your money or anything for that matter in your life. Yeah, yeah. Slow growth, slow burn is what I'm getting for someone out there, very very strongly. Also guys, a word of caution for someone out there: if you're going to take some risk in business, or if you are trying to take some risk in certain aspect of your life, just be very very careful. Okay, treat carefully is what I'm getting very very strongly for someone out there. Otherwise, make sure you have weighed your pros and cons before taking that plunge. Otherwise you might end up, you know uh, you might end up in some trouble, or you might face financial losses is what I'm getting. Okay, so just a word of caution: if you have not done that yet, and if you're contemplating taking some risk, make sure you have weighed your pros and cons very very carefully. Okay, if you're watching this and if it is applicable to you, please please be little careful is what I'm getting. For someone out there, a new job is very much in the pipeline, and one that will bring in a lot of abundance and prosperity. Guys, again I'm repeating the same thing over here, the same reminder: this is a collective reading, and you out to bear that in mind. Though the messages might seem very contradictory to you, it is catering to different energies of different group of people. Okay, so just take what resonates with you. If you're falling in this category, forget this. If you are into this category, this might be applicable to you. You might get a new job offer, which is a good thing, but don't switch from positive to negative. Okay, do not come or question me that you're contradicting whatever you're saying. That is because I'm catering to different groups of people. Okay, bear that in mind. Someone out there definitely has lot of money coming his or her way in terms of new job opportunity, a lot of abundance. You'll get a good package. Some of you guys might get good raise, appraisal, promotion, but more than that, I feel this is a new job offer altogether for someone out there, in which case heartiest congratulations yet again, guys. Really really happy for you. And Piscean energy, Hanged Man energy, someone out there could be feeling stuck in some situation. But guys, more than that, what I feel is that someone really needs to do some introspection, because there is hermit energy also showing up over here. So hermit is calling for introspection, soul searching, asking some questions. If you're feeling stuck in some situation, if you're feeling like you're not getting clarity over some situation, you don't know what to do, what decision to take, if you're feeling stagnant, and if you're feeling really really stuck emotionally maybe, or utterly stuck in some situation, maybe it's time to take a step back. Virgos, have you taken a break of late? If not, you would want to take that break. Okay, and sometimes we hit that saturation point, and things just start screwing for us. Sorry, pardon me for my language. What I meant is like, things just start getting wrong. Nothing, when we come at a stage where nothing seems to be working out in our favor, that's when you need to declutter, that's when you need to clean your vibes. Okay, that can happen by taking a break, taking a step back. Okay, pausing, reflecting, hit the pause button, like literally go on that break. Even if you can't go on vacation, take a break, stay at home, rejuvenate, cut down from whatever this topic that is bothering you. If it is workplace, take a break, stay home, stay away from work, and just reset, reboot. Okay, that's what is needed for someone out there. Your own energy and Piscean energy is coming over here, but definitely someone needs a break is what I'm getting over here. Someone out there might also take a break from work is what I'm getting. Someone out there might take a sabbatical is what I'm getting, like very specific, very very specific. But someone definitely is contemplating taking a sabbatical, taking a short break from work, maybe for a couple of months. Okay, and yeah, why not? If you can afford, if you have enough finances, enough savings, you should do that. It really helps, it really helps. Okay, so yeah, very very interesting reading. Like, it has different energies, like starkly different energies, two completely opposite messages I've rendered. I'm aware of that, but that's how it is coming. Okay, that's how the messages are coming. Yeah. Anyway, so guys, let's move on. Let's pull a timeline message now. Let's see whatever is kind of showing up in this reading, or whatever it is that you want or desire. Let's see when it will manifest tentatively. Always remember, take timeline with a pinch of salt. Do not base your decisions judgment on whatever timeline is showing up over here. Okay, take it as an entertainment value. Okay, that's how I take timelines as usually, despite being a tarot reader myself. Okay, coming Thursday. Okay, that's quite soon. That's quite soon. For someone, something might happen coming Thursday. Whenever you are seeing whatever, whenever at whatever point of time you are seeing this reading, watching this reading, that coming Thursday, whatever happens, if possible, do let me know, guys. Okay, let's pull one more card for the rest of the people. Maybe that might not resonate with everyone, but just one more card in terms of tentative timeline. Okay, Wheel of Fortune card has shown up. No timing indicated, but things will be in your favor. That is such a relief to know, guys. So the angels basically are saying that I don't have specific timeline for you, but whenever it happens, it is going to be in your favor, and that is in itself is a good news. I have never pulled this card, and that's why reading this message, it's feeling more reassuring to me that, the angels are saying nothing to worry, basically nothing to worry. Whatever is going to happen, whenever it happens, it is going to be in your favor. So just stay relaxed. Okay, Wheel of Fortune had shown up in your pre-shuffling as well, guys, so this is a double confirmation. So don't worry about the timeline, just believe in God, believe in universe, believe in the trust the process, guys. Okay, have faith. Okay, whenever it will happen, it will be in your favor. Okay, wow, what a lovely and a kind of reassuring message that is. Okay, in terms of timeline. Guys, we have already hit the mid year, and just how, guys, just tell me how we have landed ourselves in June. And let's take a stock of the situation. Let's see what lesson your soul wants you to learn for the rest of the year. Okay, something has jumped. Discipline, I can accomplish what I set my mind to. Such a lovely message. And I feel that each and every card that I pull from this journey, from this soul's journey deck, no matter which sign it is, okay, even if it is a collective reading or it's a personal reading, it so much makes sense. Okay, and it is, I think it is universally applicable, like this card. Okay, if we are disciplined, if we are consistent at something, I think success is ours, is what I can say. Okay, that's what the angels are saying. I can accomplish what I set my mind to. Okay, all you have to do is, set your intentions, stay focused, define your goals, and work towards it. Do not think of anything else. Do not think about what, when, what if, when, where. Okay, just keep on doing your work, and everything else will be taken care of. That's what the angels are saying. Such a beautiful message and such a beautiful reading, Virgos. I really thoroughly enjoyed doing this reading as a reader. It's been really a different and unique reading, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Like I said, some of the messages were very specific. I truly and profoundly apologize for that, but it's not in my hands, guys. Okay, so I'll leave it at that, guys. I'll see you next Monday directly. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.